but generally quiet overnight. And tomorrow morning, the commute to work looks good. Early afternoon, things start to line up along the lake. Heavy rainfall that pushes toward the coast. Tuesday looks to be a very wet afternoon. We need the rainfall. We don't need any kind of severe weather. We probably have a pretty good chance of a severe thunderstorm warning or two as we get into later Tuesday afternoon and evening. And then another line of rain sweeps through on Wednesday. Thursday, a repeat again, so it is going to stay soggy every afternoon and early evening through most of this week. But heading out the door in the morning, it's warm, it's humid, a couple of stray showers, much higher rain chances into the mid-afternoon. I think through about 1 and 2 o'clock, you should be good outside. After that, the rain starts to begin, and it pushes from the lake toward the coast, so don't get caught. All right, overnight lows, you can see our 70s everywhere, Treasure Coast and Palm Beach County. This is very warm for this time of year, and likely, as I said, or at least there's a chance for setting a temperature record. So stormy tomorrow afternoon. As we get into Wednesday afternoon, again, another line of storms rolls through. Hot and humid the next 4 to 5 days at least. Thursday, it looks like the storms are focused more inland around the lake, and some heavy rainfall around Lake Okeechobee. 87, 88 the next 5 to 6 days. Probably right through the weekend, we'll see temperatures well above normal. Wave heights and boating conditions are fantastic in the morning. Beachgoers also looking good, but by the afternoon it gets wet and it gets very soggy with those storms moving in. 77 overnight. A few showers along the beaches. Should be quiet inland. Tomorrow morning looks good. Tomorrow afternoon, after about 3 o'clock, we flip that switch. Strong storms rolling through, gusty winds and heavy rainfall, and lots of lightning with these storms Tuesday, Wednesday, or in fact all week, Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. A little bit less widespread on Sunday, but definitely we have really transitioned, and probably the start of the rainy season we'll see after this week, but it definitely looks like a summer-like weather pattern has arrived.